Welcome back. 10-minute low impact movement session. Let's get started right away. Wake up the body, swing your arms, slap the body. Let's boost our mood and elevate our energy. Sway your hips. Gonna build some incredible mobility. Cultivate a real flexible mindset. Flexible mind, flexible body. Can take on all the challenges of the day with real grace and ease. Move a little bit more side to side. Head up. Want to connect the breath to the movement. Yes, we're gonna feel alive. Don't forget to smile. Yes. Okay. Backstroke. Like we were moving through water. Today's thumbnail, move like water. These ancient practices speak of water-like movements, where we're flexible. We move gently. We go around the obstacles. We find a way. We don't butt into it with force. Gentle. Gentle with ourselves. Reach that arm way up high. Move the lower body as well. Full body movement. We're waking up the shoulders. Mobility in the upper back. Couple more here. Let's shake that out. This movement right here, real loose with the arms and the legs. Head up. Building circulation, energy for the day. Interlace your fingertips. Reach them up and twist. Breathe into this move. Reach those arms back as far as you can. Feel it in the shoulders, the upper back. A great twist in the lower back. We breathe into it, we soften. We move like water. Last one. Here, twist into it. Oh, shake it out. Oh. Bring the hands up. Push the palms down. Really connect your breath to this movement now. Stretch the fingertips wide apart. Look to the sky. Just bend down a little bit. Maybe we can increase the speed of this movement. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and out. You sink just a little bit deeper. Breathe in all the way up and out. Last one. Bring your hands to your lower back. Bent knees and bend down. Flat back if you can and rise up. And let's find a flow here. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in as you rise up. Breathe out. Breathe in. Head up high. Breathe out. Come on up, breathe in. Maybe a back bend. And breathe out. Breathe in. And out. Bring all your consciousness, all your awareness right into this movement. Accept what you can do. If there's some limitations in your back, in your mobility, modify. Do what you can, accept that's where you're at, and bring all your presence into that movement and to your breath. Breathe out. Breathe in and out. Hold it here for a moment. Really conscious. Breathe in and hold it at the top. Breathe out and soften. Sweep the arms up. Prayer, and come down into a gentle squat. Breathe out. Breathe in and out. Move like water. Find your flow. Connect each movement to your breath. Really practicing presence. The ability to be here now. That this moment is the most important one. You sink a little deeper. We can build and practice presence and also build strength and mobility. We honor this body, cherish it. Functional movements. Sink a little deeper. Reach the arms up a little higher. Two more. And out. Breathe in. Hold it here just for a moment. Maybe chair posture. Reach the arms up. Reach back as far as you can, head up high. Just breathe into it. You start to shake and tremble. Breathe in. Breathe out and soften. And come on up. Take your right arm. We're going to circle with the right arm and sway the lower body. Side lunge and circle. Look to the horizon, head up high. This may seem a simple movement, but really there's so much balance, coordination going into this. Again, we're building amazing strength. Engage your core stability. Maybe start to reach the arm a little bit further out. You sink down a little deeper into your side lunge. Come up to the top, bring the other arm up, stand for a moment. And let's change arms. You can come up on the foot. Just find a movement that works for you. Energizing the body. Real life force. You are a force. Connect that breath. Maybe we go just a little bit quicker. How does that feel? Pretty great, eh? Smile, yes. Let's enjoy the movement. Not to get anywhere, just because movement is awesome. Last couple. Oh, stretch the arms back. Give yourself a hug. Just move about your space. Head up high, real conscious breaths. Open up that chest. Just for a moment here. Hug. Okay, last movement of the day. Just the way we started. Nice solid base. We're just gonna twist. There we go. Give yourself a nice slap. How do we feel now? Twist and sway. And if you like, close your eyes and just be. Let this be our moving meditation to finish our session. Every time your mind wanders, just bring it back to your breath, to the sensation. You give yourself a little massage. Sway the body. If you stumble, just come back. Yes. Oh. Breathe and be. Oh, shake it out. I feel this incredible exuberance, this joy that's just overwhelming. This is why we move. To just connect to each other, to connect to something greater, to honor these bodies. Just keep showing up for yourself. We will build strength and mobility, but there's just so much more to it. Move through your day like water. Be flexible. When somebody puts pressure on you, challenges you, is irritating or annoying, like water off a duck's back. That's just your story. I want to tell my own story, and that's a story of flexibility and acceptance. Whoa. Hey, hallelujah. Just keep coming back. I'm so grateful for you. Thank you, thank you. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.